Ukrainian ground drone destroys Russian positions from the inside. The Ukrainian 46th Airmobile Brigade successfully repelled a large-scale assault involving 46 units of Russian military equipment. The attack, which included 4 waves of assaults from 5:45 a.m. to midday, involved tanks, APCs, IFVs, and infantry on motorcycles. The Ukrainian paratroopers destroyed 15 enemy units, 9 IFVs, 2 tanks, 2 APCs, and 2 motorcycles, and disabled 11 more IFVs. The brigade set a record for the number of enemy vehicles destroyed in a single day. Russian losses somewhere. The Ukrainian armed forces uses an IMR to break through Russia's Dragon Teeth in Kursk-Glushkovo district, but the vehicle is quickly destroyed thereafter by Russian forces. New drone, successfully tested from Ukrainian Wild Hornets. Claimed as testing footage of a Ukrainian FPV drone equipped with an RPG-18 rocket-propelled grenade launcher.
Мощь.
The command post of the Russian nuclear forces allegedly. All is fine.
видишь, красная лампочка, да?
Ну.
А это сейчас вот везде на команде.
Да?
Это идет нахуй, блядь, вот это вот это сними крупным планом, нахуй, куда оно капает?
Russian serviceman says that the Georgian, Polish, and French mercenaries are hanging children in Kursk Oblast. Do they really believe this shit?
Снимать сейчас парнишку, 300-й, вернее, прошу прощения. Только прилетел на реабилитацию. Рассказывает под Курском. Основная масса грузин, поляков. Кого он еще сказал? Французы. Говорит, когда зачищали район, 8 детей повешенных нашли в сарае. Детей вешают твари. Это чтобы, все знали просто, какая сейчас война идет.
Russian MP Gurulev, who constantly issues threats of strikes Europe, UK, and the US, got into a traffic accident in Russia's Zabaikalsky Krai and was shocked by how Russians live with such bad roads. Russian politicians are so preoccupied with nuclear threats to other states that they barely even notice their own country.
Едешь, я не знаю, как уже говорить, это дорога Мусаевск-Краснокаменск, знаменитая. Машина объезжает кое-как. Она вся в ямах, причем в ямах таких, что невозможно проехать. Даже на многих этих препятствиях знаки-то не стоят. Вот она яма, на ней он вырвал подвеску. Наша региональная дорога. Приличная, в краях стоит. Я не знаю, кому еще говорить, наверное. Когда Министерство строительства этим займется.
A Ukrainian soldier at the front found out the gender of the future child in an original way.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.